Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Yeah, we in the room. Hey, how you doing? Hey, let's hit that like button right away. All right, I'm good, thank you. Let's see, everything is working. You ever had one of those days where stuff just wasn't working right? This was one of those days. All right, so but we gonna get into this today. For those of you that's new to the page, my name is Larry Jones. This is Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you're new, do yourself a favor and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell and come join this family. It's not just me. It's over 660 of us, 660,000 of us. Hey, what's happening, man? All right, so we're going to get right into it. I'm going to front end this with information, and then if I have time, I will come. Y'all know that's a joke, right? Yeah, this is a joke. Let me get this out of the way. I never stick to that. But let's get right into it. Good people, what's happening right now as we speak? Okay, now some things may have changed as I got this up. All right, let's get right into it. I'm not ignoring you guys. I'll be back to see you guys. Hey, key Fed inflation measures shows 2.4 rate in November, lower than expected. We like lower. We like lower. Lower means that there is a chance that the Fed could actually start to cut rates again, okay? Now, let's keep it going, all right? What else we got going on? Hours before government shutdown deadline, House of Representatives regroup to craft new plan, all right? It was shut down. Anybody have they figured this thing out yet with this ridiculous debt ceiling that they wait to the last minute all of the time? All right. We'll get right into it. We'll answer some questions in a minute, good people. All right. I need to get this information out. All right. Let's see what's going on. We can see that the S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow are all fighting to get back. Look at that. Even the NASDAQ 100, even small caps are fighting to get back. Why? Because of the PCE numbers. The PCE index, Fed's preferred inflation gauge, showed an increase of just 0.1% from October and 2.4% annual rate, both below expectations. That's what's happening. Okay, including food and energy, core PCE, which is the Fed's preferred rate, also increased by 0.1% monthly and was 2.8% higher from a year ago, with both readings being 0.1% percentage points, below the forecast. And so that's why this market is so frugal. Good news, bad news, good news, bad news. It's like a ping pong game. Good news, bad news, good news, bad news. Now, I can't hit the refresh button, but as you can see, the markets like what's going on. Let's look at some mentionable stock like Tesla, Nvidia, Apple. Look at that. Green, green, green. All right. So yes, I heard of iTrust Capital. Yes, I heard iTrust Capital. If you want to do, I believe you're probably asking that because you want to do a Roth IRA with crypto. Yes, and that's what iTrust does, I believe, before you even ask the question. All right, good people, let's look at this. This is crazy, all right? This is crazy. Now, remember, I was telling you guys anything with quantum computing in it is on a sugar high. Now, for those of you that saw my first video on yesterday, I said out of the 3,000 shares of QUBT, quantum computing I had, I sold 2,500 shares. Now, for those of you, and I forgot to mention this to you, my wife told me, hey, mention that to them, you forgot. Well, remember guys, for those of you that followed me from the beginning, I put it in my Roth. So I don't have any taxes to pay on what I sold. Now I sold everything at 19 bucks, okay? And I made almost 70K off of that one play off of about $2,700. So you said, Larry, you believe in it. I do long term, but it went up too fast, too quick. So what I did was I sold 2,500 shares. I let you guys know in the pre-markets 2,500 shares, those of you that's in the stock club. And then I kept 500. Why? They said, why did you keep some? I said it on yesterday's video. I believe in this company. Well, they're still on a sugar high, but if you look right now, look at this, good people. Quantum computing is up 14%. Now, this is lower than what I sold it at. I sold mine at $19. It's now $17. But I kept 500 shares just in case. This D-Wade, everybody was asking me about it. It's up 11%. It's another quantum. This one will probably, this D-Wade will probably fall the most, right? This one, Rigetti Computing, 26%. Quantum Corp, 18%. And this one, 7%. They're all on sugar highs, good people. They spike up and then they fall. All right. So I would not be chasing these at the top without doing any kind of research with it. OK, I must appreciate you scared right now with the government shutdown. Yep. But here's what I want you to understand. Even with the potential government shutdown, the markets, because of the PCE, is green, even with a potential shutdown. So I like those odds. That means that not if, but when they do pass the bill, then I believe the markets will see that even greener. That's what I see. All right. Now I'm going to go into some crypto in a minute here, but I got to see. There's a speck on my glass and my OCD is driving me crazy. All right, good people. You know, I keep it real here. All right. So that's it for the stock market. Now, I'm not going to play it, but Tom Lee thinks that we're still going to end greener. I do too. Not just because Tom Lee said it, but because I believe it. I believe that when the Fed tanked the market, if you look at the NASDAQ, S&P, and the NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow, if you look at those yesterday, I showed you on yesterday's chart, the second the Fed started sounding negative and saying that he wasn't going to lower interest rates, maybe 2 on the table. January was off the table. When he made those remarks, the S&P, NASDAQ, and Dow tanked. Okay, as a matter of fact, let's look at this, right? Let's go to the 5-day. Boom, right off a cliff, right there. That's the Fed meeting, good people, right off a cliff, okay? And so that's what sent the market into free fall. Then there's a lot of things happening into crypto, and I'm going to get to crypto in a minute, but I'm going to take a station break right here because there's something going on. All right, time is running out for Stock Up You. I'm telling you guys, use the coupon code EARN, EARN. If you really want to kill it in stocks and in crypto, that's where you want to be, okay? I'm only going to mention this once. Now, I want to say something before I go into crypto. For all of you that have Stock Up You, these hot plays I'm giving you in my Money Moves Stock Crypto Club, you get 2 months free. All you got to do, if you already have the class, just go to the first lesson. Click that link and you get 60 days free. And for those of you that want to get in right now and it's not, and I'm just telling you, my main days to post is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, but I'm giving you guys extra. I'm telling you, check out the links below on this live. Okay? All right. Rest is up to you. Read carefully. All right. So let's go on. What's going on with crypto? El Salvador agrees to amend its Bitcoin policy as a condition for a $1.4 billion loan, likely contributing to the recent Bitcoin price drop. That's one of the things that's going on with the price drop. Also, what's going on with the price drop in Bitcoin and all crypto. When the Fed said we're not adopting no new bills, and he was talking about stuff that he had zero authority. Now, if you want to play the video that I posted from yesterday that showed a politician saying what I told you guys when he said this, he does not have the authority. That's the government authority. Okay, so the Fed does not have the authority to deny or give a green light for us to keep Bitcoin as a reserve. So that's what I want you guys to know. That also sent the market down. And we were due for a pullback, good people. We were due for a pullback. It's healthy. I told you guys, 10%. Bitcoin pulls back 10%. Your altcoins are going to pull back 15 to 25%. And meme coins could fall 30 to 40%. Though the meme coins didn't fall that much, that's a good sign. Larry, do you think this bull market is over? Nope. Put my money where my mouth is. I did not sell a thing, good people. I did not sell a thing. And for those of you that are new, I showed you on yesterday's video that this is something that happens all of the time. All of the time. This happens all of the time. And if you check, it happens in every single cycle. All right. Let me try to pull that up for you guys. I'm doing good on time right now. Let me try to pull this up for you guys, because this happens every single cycle. In every single cycle, people freak out, and it's healthy. Someone said, Larry, tell the truth. You scared, man. You scared. Tell the truth. No, I wasn't scared. No, I wasn't scared at all. I knew this was coming. What I was disappointed that I didn't have even more dry powder. That's what I was looking at. Man, I wish I had some more money to put in this market. Yes, I got more money, but it wasn't allocated for it. Let's take a look at it, good people. I want you guys to not operate in fear, but in facts. Okay? Now, here we go again. I got to show you guys. There's a lot of new people here, so bear with me, those of you that know this. This is the halving. This is the second halving. This is the third halving. This is the halving that we're in right now. Right, good people? Right? See that? So what happens? Halving run up. How much was that run up, good people? I just want you to see. Yes, that run up was 3,000%, right? Then again, halving run up. But in that run up, you see that dip and then back up higher, all right? Let's just go back to these little dips in the first one, because this is what we're experiencing right now. As you can see, halving and beginning to run up, okay? But now you do see that halving run up, right? And then here we go, half as much, less than half as much. So this run up is not going to be as much, but we're just getting started. Now, we can see that this is a big dip. Let's just go to one of the little dips. All right, this happens every time. So let's just say that this is the run up we are in, right? And let's just say that we are about here. Even if we were 0.75%, you say, Larry, that dip is not much. Well, when you actually look at the dip, good people, if you go from here to here, that's a 36% pullback. 36%. Did we just pull back 36%? Nope. No, we didn't. So, and then what happened after that 36% pullback? Let's see what happened after that 36% pullback. I'm going to show you guys what happened that are new to this cycle, and I'm going to take the time. So we had that pullback, right? After the 36% pullback, we had a 921% run up after a 36% pullback. So why are you crying? Why are you crying? Okay, now here's something else I think is going to happen. For those of you that remember 2021, I remember it like it was yesterday. Never made so much money in my life. And let me tell you something. Here's what happened in 2021. It peaked out right here, and then it fell 46%. Let's call that 47%. And then everybody thought, oh, this is it. It's the shakeout. It's done. We're done. We're doomed. We're doomed. And then what happened? It turned around and ran up another 100%. Look at that, good people. And so this little fall off that we have, this little healthy correction is nothing, because here we are right now. Here we are right now, good people. And so how much did we fall off? How much did we fall off from the top? Look at that, good people. Come on, y'all. That's nothing. That's nothing. And so that's what I wanted to show you guys. Let's dig a little deeper in some crypto. We looking at the bubbles right now. Look, fart coin. Y'all with these names. Come on, y'all. Fart coin. All right, fart coin. Boy, these names. Y'all killing me with these. All right, so now we got the day, green. We got the hour, green. And it appears that we have a short-term rebound in session. You know, we want to get back to the month where everything is green. Okay, we got fart coin, we got virtual up. Virtual has been running. Okay, and so let's look at it. We could see right now that for the week, Bitcoin is only down. With all of the screaming, running through the streets, we're doomed. With all of this, we're only down 4%. 4%. 4%, good people. You guys see what I'm seeing? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? All right. Hey, good morning. Yeah, this is a good one, y'all. Sorry. Crazy. Fart coin is ripping. That was the best joke I heard today. Fart coin is ripping. So, man, that just took me out. Hold on a minute. That fart coin is ripping. All right, good people. Hey, Miriam, how you doing? You took the course? You took the course and you understand. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. People that took the course, that's taking the course, they ain't running scared. They making more money. So let's look at it. We got XRP in the 4th place. And you know what's going to happen. When everybody stop worrying, they're going to put money back in the XRP and it's going to overflip Tether again and go back up, because we have a whopping 4% pullback with Bitcoin. And the truth be told, we deserve to have 10. I'm sorry, I'm talking to you guys. Look, see here, 4%, right? Ethereum went back down 12%. I'm just talking about over the 7-day, not over the 24 hours, but 7 days. Look at that. XRP down 7%, okay? Solana down, just like I said. Dogecoin down 23% for the week. So this is normal, good people. Let's go over this one more time. If Bitcoin go down by 4%, what did I say? Here's a perfect example. I said that 2 to 2.5% is the altcoins, all right? So you got 4% here, but Solana went down 14%, Ethereum went down 12%. So the layer ones doubled and tripled what Bitcoin went down, just like I said. And then the meme coins, some of them, not all of them, look at that, 23%. You see what I'm saying, good people? Even Avalanche is absolutely tanking. Avalanche, AVAX. I'm buying some AVAX today, good people. That's what I'm doing. I'm buying some AVAX today. I put my money where my mouth is, and I don't worry about it. And so here's what I want to tell you guys. Do not put all of your money in on the first dip. And I know you guys, somebody for the XRP army, since it's Friday, let's throw a little gravy on here. XRP. All right. So I'm telling you guys, especially for you guys that have taken the class, when I see a chart like this, I put in a buy order. But what I do every time it's falling, meaning the entire market is falling, I go out 30 days, I see what the low is, and I could see right now we're about 108. So what I do is I put in a buy order for 108. I put in a buy order for 110, and I may put in a buy order for 130, and then it goes back up. So for the month, we're still up 107%. But I put those buy orders in. Then I go to the weekly and I see what the low is. And this week, the low was 197. So I'll put a buy order in for 195. Limit orders, okay? For those of you that have the course, go back over that. I show you how to put in a limit order. So whatever the amount of XRP you want, stair step it, because it may not hit yours. So you put in a few higher and then a few lower. Whatever that money is, split it up, and don't just put it all. Don't just look at the chart and put it all in on one amount. Follow, good people. So I hopefully this has been helpful to you guys. Listen, I'm going to answer a few questions, but before I go, I'm going to tell you again, if you want to kill it in crypto, then take stock up you. Okay? Take stock up you. All right? And then you're going to kill it in crypto and in stocks. You say, Larry, how do you find these hot plays? Take the class. You'll see. You'll see. Educate yourself first. Don't invest your hard-earned money into stocks or crypto before you invest your money in yourself. All right. Hold QUBT today. You know what? I can't tell you that. All I know is that I had 3,000 shares. I sold 2,500 shares, and I'm keeping the 500 shares, right? Now, what you can do is you can put a trailing stop loss on. So when you're in profit, good people, for those of you that's in the stocks, I want you to consider or learn how to do a trailing stop loss. And if you took the class and you don't understand what I'm talking about, I'm gonna be like Keenan Grace. Bop, bop, bop. What is wrong with you? It's right there. I made it so plain. So you should be killing it. All right. You're right. Ripping. Okay. Bunk. What do you say about Bunk, Charles? Bunk on Robinhood? Is Bunk on Robinhood? Is it? I don't know. It wasn't, but is it? I hope it waits to get listed. I hope we're green and then it get listed on Robinhood so we can have a nice little bump. All right. Hi, Larry. Are you invested in Bunk? I got over 100K in Bunk. There's your answer. And I can tell you 170% of that is profit. So yes. All right. Bunk is now, Bunk is on Robinhood. That's good. All right. Bunk's on Robinhood. Okay. So you know what? I like this. This is going to really help a lot of people. Right. So remember, when I tell you guys this, I'm glad you left this comment. Thank you for your super chat. Yeah. Split your money up on these dips, right? When you see a big hard dip, I always look at 3 because it's always like, it's like a sneeze. You always sneeze in 3s. And I always save a little dry powder, then go in again, and then go in again. So that's all right. Lesson learned. You still good. It's gonna turn around. Listen, I want every single one of you. CleanSpark is the second largest Bitcoin miner in the world, followed by Mara, M-A-R-A, Marathon Digital. I have both of these gentlemen on this program. 2 days ago, an hour before the Fed, I interviewed, before the Fed made his decision, I interviewed the CEO of CleanSpark. That video will appear in a box in your upper right-hand corner. Please listen. He literally said, it's not good when Bitcoin runs up this fast. It's better that it runs up slower. So he was literally telling you guys before the Fed said this, that it was better for it to have this correction. This sets crypto up to be successful, good people. I'm telling you guys, it's easy to get negative when things are down. But when you have a plan and you've done your study and you see where it's going, stick to your disciplines, which I did. I didn't sell a dime. I was looking for dimes to put in, okay? And I'm just being honest with you guys, okay? All right, Thomas. Hey. Yep, you sold half. There you go. He sold half at 25. He's talking about QUBT. Bunk also about to explode. Yeah, man, Bunk is going to be a winner, man. Bunk is absolutely going to be a winner. There you go, good people. There you go. Look at this. There it is. I purchased your course and on my first day earned $5,000 in 2 days. Course is gold. I can't say to him, you know what, NEI, when this live stream is over, could you leave that post on this page? All right, just on the comment section. Re-comment this after the video is over in the regular comments. So you 10x your money, more than 10x your money, right? Because the course, good people, with the coupon, it's not only under $500, it's under $400 when you literally put the coupon code in. Then when you put the coupon code in and you get in a class, I'm going to give you 60 days free in my investment club. And for those of you that want to check out my investment club, check out the links below. This is for us. All right. Still holding crypto. Hey, I'm still holding. You got Bunk. Yep. Bunk is definitely on Robinhood. Hey, that's great. Hey, good people, I'm going to leave it right there. Do me a favor, good people. Continue to share me. I spent a lot of money. I spent a lot of time. I got sleepy eyes. I'm unshaven. I spent a lot of time to make sure you guys get money. I spend a lot of time making sure I'm not too bullish or too bearish. I try to keep this page clean. Make sure you don't fall for spam. Because I mentioned XRP, make sure you don't fall for the spam commercials even. Never send money or crypto anywhere. Don't just send money to a comment. It's going to be in the comment section because it's going to be full of spam. But do me a favor. Everyone that's listening to me, please share me with at least 3 of your friends and family. Because there is a ton of money to be made. And I'm not going to tell you what's popular. I'm going to tell you what's going to make you money. Okay? Listen, everybody on this live stream, go to my description under here. And I have a little surprise in the links. For those of you that's going to take the class, you get 60 days free in my stock club, which is different. It's like my version of the Patreon. You're going to get everything at Patreon, but we're focused on education. Okay. And we'll see you. We'll see you later. All right. Love you guys. Have a safe and wonderful weekend. Live, love, laugh, and learn.